is Tina, my homesteading project, and today is my least favorite day. Today is Disbudding Day. This is Petunia, and she is 8 days old, and she's just barely starting to get her little bumps here on her head. So doelings tend to get their horns in a little bit later than bucklings. Bucklings will usually get them after a couple days, but she's just now starting to get them. So we're going to go ahead and do the disbudding. I've already done a video on this before in more detail, so you can go ahead and watch that. I figured since I'm doing it today, I might as well go ahead and film it. I was going to build a disbudding box for my next round of kids, and of course it's on my list of things to do. I just didn't get to it. So we're doing it the old-fashioned way, just sitting here. So we'll go ahead. I'm going to show you how you can just do this on your own. I'm on my own today, so I'll just show you how we get this done. Now, first thing we're going to do, though, is we're going to give her cd&t shot, because that's the least of the two traumatic things. So I've got 2 cc's here of cd&t in my syringe with my 18-gauge needle, and it goes just right behind her leg in that flap of skin. And of course on doelings there's not a lot of flappy skin, but Petunia. She's my little petite one. She was the smallest from her sister. Yes, she was the second born. Good girl. Okay, now we're going to get into the disbudding. Now it's a very cold day today, so I've let my iron heat up really good, nice and hot. And you're just so tiny, aren't you? We're going to go ahead and shave just a little bit so that I can see where her buds are. So we're just going to find them and shave some of the hair away so there's less to singe and so I can see a little bit better. Oh, bless you. Bless you. Does that make you sneeze? Oh, you're fine. This doesn't even hurt. Goodness sakes. Alright, and it would help if you made sure the batteries were really good and charged on your clippers. Okay, but I can see where her little buds are. Okay, so we're going to test our iron. Yeah, there we go. Good and hot, and I had a brush and I've lost it. There it is. It's easier to clean it off when it's hot with just a little copper wire brush. Okay. And as I said, since it's cold today, you want to make sure your iron's really good and hot. Okay. Now the fun part. Oops, gloves. Well, you should be wearing gloves, but I've misplaced mine already. Okay. Those are pretty good, but I need one little spot right there. Okay, and we're done. Okay, all done. Good girl, yes. So that's, yes, I know. Yes, that's how easy it is. So you guys can do this. I know you can. And look at that face. She's such a sweetie, and she's all good now. Oh, okay, so tell them. Say, God is good. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.